Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious dessert. Come on. I'm going to make a strawberry shortcake using the mini waffle maker. Now I'm making mine low carb. You can, however you want to do yours. You can use regular flour and just however you want to make yours. I've got my mini waffle maker warmed up. This is about a tablespoon of cream cheese that I warmed up. It's actually the low-fat cream cheese. And you're supposed to use mozzarella cheese. I'm using a low-fat mixed blend. It's got some mozzarella in it though, so we're good. We're good. Yeah, we're gonna put an egg in there. I know, I'm not supposed to crack it there, I know. Alright. Now, I'm gonna mix this up just a little bit. I can get my cream cheese mixed in good before I put the other ingredients in. Tom's gonna have one and I'm gonna have one. Oops, I just slung some of that out and I don't even know where it went. Be sure and scrape your bowl when you're doing it. Okay, now we're gonna use a tablespoon of almond flour. You can use sugar. You can use any kind of swerve. I'm using the brown swerve, and I'm going to put half of a tablespoon in it. Now again, the cream cheese was a tablespoon. So it's one egg, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, tablespoon of almond flour, tablespoon of cream cheese, half a tablespoon of swerve, and I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in there. Baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder. Get this mixed in together, and then we're going to put half of it in our little waffle maker at a time. And I've got some strawberries here that I'm going to cut up. And then I've got some sugar-free, zero sugar Cool Whip that we're going to use with it as well. Or you can make your own Cool Whip. I'm just not feeling that today, so. And when you go to put your batter in here, make sure and spray it so it doesn't stick. Don't make that mistake and not do that, because this is important for this one. You know, a lot of times you don't have to, but this time this is one of the times when I would recommend it, definitely. Okay. Now, get me a little measure and scoop that out, and hope it doesn't go everywhere. It's probably going to. That's why I put a paper towel up under it, because I have the worst time gauging and judging how much of this I need to put in there. And I usually end up making a mess. So I'm just letting you know. You'll see it oozing out here in a minute probably. Slice these strawberries up. We went to Costco and they had a 2-pound container of strawberries for, it was right at $3. So needless to say, we've been having strawberries galore. We love strawberries, so that's not a problem for us. I've got 4 good-sized strawberries here. You can put however many you want to. You don't have to put 4. That's just, Tom said he wanted 4 on his, so that's what he's getting. I might get a little bit more on mine. We'll see. smells good. It smells just like a chaffle smells. It's starting to lift up right here. Go ahead and get me about a tablespoon off of there. Get ready for my next one. Go ahead and measure out my stuff for my next one. Okay. Man, that looks good. I'm gonna leave it on in there just a little bit longer though, because I want a crispness on there. You can always put these in the oven to get a better crisp on them if they're too soft. So, just remember that. Alright. Let me grab me some of these strawberries out. I think I'm going to do 4 on mine as well. Okay. That looks good. Smells good. See? I'm just going to put it on the plate. And give it another little spray. Put some more on there. I might be able to get 3 out of this, honestly. I believe I will. Now, we give this just a minute to cool down, and then we're going to do some layers here. I don't know why I put my spoon up. Again, I'd already washed these, obviously. We've had, like I said, we've had them for a few days in the fridge, and I'm just going to finish cutting the ends off of them and take that little core out of there. I'm actually going to move this over out of the way and put that plate right there with that chaffle on it. Little waffle. I don't know why they're called chaffle. I don't know. It's a mini waffle. It's a mini waffle. But we're going to put some Cool Whip there. And it's going to melt, so, you know, you don't want to overdo it. Some strawberries on there. And go ahead and pull our next one off. And I'm just going to set it over here on this plate and let it cool down a little bit, because again, I don't want to set it directly on that and make it to melt. And give it a spray. And we'll go ahead and put the rest of this in there. So we get 3 out of it, not 2. We get 3. Set that over there, and I'm going to go ahead and start mixing this up here in just a minute. Now you can use room temperature cream cheese if you want to. I'm thinking add a little bit of cinnamon to mine. I think I'm going to, because it just sounds good to me. That brown sugar, or brown swerve, and some cinnamon. Right. Yeah. Let's go ahead and put this on there. Put us some more whipped cream. Some more strawberries. Just waiting for that to finish cooking. I mean, you can do this with apples too if you want to make it with apples, and just put your apples in there and put a little apple pie spice on it. I think that would taste amazing. All right, let's get this one off. I lost a little bit out of the back of it here, but we're gonna get Tom come in here and give this a taste. See what he thinks about it. I didn't even have to talk for him, y'all. Here he comes.
Oh, that smells so good.
It's a triple layer. Look at that. Mm-hmm.
I need a bigger fork. Mercy.
Do you want to sit down?
No,
Okay. I just don't want it to fall off the plate.
No. Very carefully.
Is it good?
Oh yeah, I really like this.
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and finish mine up. Get mine done. Because I'm hungry for that as well. But if you haven't subscribed, I do hope you will. Click the subscription button and notification bell. That way you know each time we put new content on. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this. Or if you have a mini waffle recipe that you make as far as desserts or for any kind of meal. I have several of them and I just really think they're delicious. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye now.